What tells the diverter valve motor to operate when we want hot water in a combi boiler? Some boilers use one of these, which is a flow turbine or an aqua sensor. So on the end of this little paddle here, there is a magnet. So when the hot tap is open, the water passing through the boiler spins this little paddle, which makes the magnet spin at this end. Some boiler manufacturers use a different aqua sensor. This is the bobbin type. When the tap is open, the bobbin shoots up, making the magnet move to the top. Then you'll require one of these little gadgets, which is a Hall effect sensor. So this sits on the end of here. Now the PCB is connected to here and it sends 5 volts DC to the Hall effect sensor. When the little magnet spins, the magnetic field reduces the voltage or drops the voltage to about 2.5 volts DC back to the PCB. Then the PCB knows the tap is open and this is spinning. The board then sends 230 volts to the motor, which either drives in or drives out the diverter valve to give us hot water or central heating. Now, how do we quickly diagnose whether these two components are broke or not? Well, some manufacturers on the Hall effect sensor give us a little light. Now, if you turn the hot tap on and this gives us a solid light, then you know it's working. But if this gives us a light which is flickering or is very dim, then there is every chance that this isn't spinning properly because the magnet isn't making this work correctly. So that is a quick way of diagnosing if they're broken. But with the Hall effect sensors as well, what we can do is with the boiler running, you can rattle a little magnet inside there and the boiler should run thinking the hot tap has been operated. And if it's the bobbin type, you can just place the magnet inside and again, this will con the boiler to thinking the Hall effect sensor is working. But just remember guys, you should never work on a gas appliance unless you are gas safe registered and you are qualified and competent to do so.